Well, the classic example of that is AlphaGo, right? Where, um, and there's YouTube videos of the moment this happened, where they had like the world's best, I'm not an expert in the game, so or even very well informed about it, but the
Mm-hmm.
world's expert in Go is playing the AI,
Mm-hmm.
um, and this is a very, very old game, and it's been played by, generations of humans, and many, many people, lots of documentation about the moves and all these kinds of things. And the AI came up with a novel solution and a move that had never been conceived before.
Mm-hmm.
And people that were experts in Go as a game, their heads exploded. Um, and just an example, right? I mean, we all sort of live in a reality that functions as kind of a box around us, right? And it is an exceptional person in rare moments that truly, is able to think outside the box.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not to say that that AIs don't have boxes as well, but they're different. They're different than ours. Um, if we can as a species figure out how to successfully coexist with AI, there's at least the opportunity that it's a complementary existence,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
right? That it can mitigate our weaknesses and enhance our strengths in really exciting ways. And maybe that's the hope, the optimistic hope for the future of humanity and AI.
Yeah, I look at it as a yes and what we need to, as humans, get a lot better at is exactly what you were saying all the way at the beginning of the conversation. We need to spend more time with the problem.
Yep.
We need to understand, Amazon calls it the durable challenges, the durable needs. What is the thing that actually is trying to be solved for? And then step back and say, what are the possible solutions? And not restrain ourselves to what we think could be the solution.
Yeah.
And be open to new alternatives.
We're back to Einstein.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Indeed.
we absolutely are. So I would love to kind of pull all the threads together and, talk about, so with all of this that we discussed, what are the key considerations? What are the things that people listening to this, that leaders in organizations should take away and think, all right, tomorrow's a new day.